Welcome to the Intercoms Systems channel. Today we're talking about something close to home, video intercoms as a communication tool for family members. In today's busy world, families are often in different rooms, on different floors, or even in separate buildings on the same property. Communication inside the home should be simple, safe, and reliable. That's where modern video intercom systems come in. A video intercom system allows family members to see and speak to each other through installed indoor monitors and door stations. Unlike traditional audio-only intercoms, video intercoms provide live visual communication. With a simple touch of a button, you can call another room, see who is at the front door, speak to someone upstairs without shouting, monitor entry points in real time. This isn't just convenience, it's peace of mind. Improving communication inside the home. In multi-level homes or large properties, yelling from one floor to another isn't practical, especially for elderly family members or young children. Video intercoms allow parents to check on children in another room, grandparents to communicate without walking upstairs, family members to confirm who is calling before opening a door, quick emergency communication within the household. For example, in homes where seniors live independently on one floor, a video intercom can eliminate unnecessary stair use, reducing fall risks and improving safety. Video intercoms serve two purposes: communication and access control. When someone rings the doorbell, you can see the visitor clearly, speak to them before unlocking the door, grant or deny access remotely, record video footage in some systems. Modern systems integrate with smartphones, allowing family members to answer the door even when they are not physically home. That's powerful protection for families with children, elderly parents, or home-based businesses. Technology often gets blamed for separating families, but the right technology can bring families closer. With a video intercom system, kids can quickly reach parents for help, parents can visually check in during homework time, families can communicate easily without disrupting everyone. Household coordination becomes more efficient. Instead of shouting across the house, you have clear, respectful communication. In two-family or multi-unit homes, video intercoms allow separate unit calling, controlled building access, internal communication between relatives, added security for shared entrances. For families living together across multiple floors, such as grandparents on the first floor and children upstairs, this system becomes an essential communication bridge. A properly installed structured cabling backbone ensures clear video quality, no signal interference, reliable performance, long-term durability. Video intercoms can be installed using Cat6, Cat6a, or fiber optic backbone connections depending on the property layout and security requirements. At Intercoms Systems, we design and install reliable, secure, and scalable video intercom systems tailored to your family's needs. Video intercoms are more than doorbells with cameras. They are a communication tool that improves family interaction, enhances home security, protects elderly loved ones, provides convenience and peace of mind. In a world where safety and connection matter more than ever, investing in the right communication system inside your home is a smart decision. Like and subscribe for professional video intercom installation services. Contact Intercoms Systems at 888-501-5885 or visit www.dvcsny.com.